Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Hope you all will be good. Okay, class. Today I will deliver the lecture number 12 of Summer Pack workbook. Open your page number. Open your page number 17. Today I will do this page. This is an activity. Okay. Firstly, we will write the date, top of the page. Tick the pictures beginning with the given letters. Okay. Tick the pictures beginning with the given letters. Okay, you will tick the pictures. What is this letter? M. What is the sound of M? M. Okay, find out the picture. Start with M. Ball? No. Mango. Yes. Mango. Okay. Tick the mango. Like this. Very nice. Mat. Yes, this is mat. Okay. Mat. Very nice. Also tick the mat. This is start from M. What is this? What is this picture? Jug. Is this start from M? No. J. It starts from J. Okay. Next letter is N. N. Find out the picture. Start with N. Firstly, tell the sound of N. N. Cow? No. Net? Yes. Net. Take the net. And doll? No. And nut? Yes. Nut. Take the nuts. Very nice. What is the second letter? Third letter. O. O. Very nice. O. O. Flower? No. O. O. Owl? Yes. Take the owl. O. O. Orange? Yes. Take the orange. Very nice, class. O. O. Fish? No. Very good. Next letter is P. Next letter is P. Find out the picture. Start from P. Okay. P. Doll? No. P. Plate? Yes. Plate. Take the plate. P. Gate? No. P. Pencil? P. Pencil? Yes. Take the pencil. Very nice, class. Okay. Today I did this page number 17. You will also do this page at your homework very beautifully. Firstly, revise your letters and their sounds. Okay. Then find out the pictures. Okay. Take care and Allah Hafiz.